I'm going to go through quickly 5 things you can do, and these 5 things are really things you can do when you get back, where you can immediately look at, you can immediately try to implement with your website. It's going to not only help your website, but also help your search engine rankings. Starting right away, I mentioned Google Analytics earlier. It's a free analytics program. It's one of the best ones out there. It's going to provide website traffic to you. It's going to tell you how many people, how they found you, what they did when they came to your website. You can learn a lot about your website and your website traffic and how the traffic's how your website's performing by using a tool like Google Analytics. To give you an example, this is the main dashboard of Google Analytics. It immediately tells me how many people came to my website, how many pages were viewed, on average how many pages per visit were viewed. It tells me the bounce rate. Bounce rate, the lower the number, the better. Bounce rate means how many people came to my website and immediately left my website without clicking on anything. So we did not capture them in those 8 to 10 seconds. Average time on site, the average amount of time somebody spent on the site, and then how much is new, how many visits are new visits coming to my site, new people. It can go into where people are actually located, how people are coming to the site, how many people came from search engines, how many came from other websites or referring websites, and then also how many people were direct traffic, people who just typed in the website address. It can tell me what content is important. These are all different pages of a website. So this is the countertops page, and it got 421 page views. So it's telling me the countertops page is the most popular page on the site. This is the traffic sources overview. Again, it goes down, not only tells you how many people came from search engines and how many referred sites, but it will list out every single search engine and every single website and exactly how many people came from those websites. So here it's showing Google, and it's separating out Google pay-per-click and as opposed to Google organic, or the search engine optimization piece. And then it goes all the way down for every single search engine and every single traffic source out there. It's going to tell you what keywords people typed in. So granite countertops as a keyword produced 40 of the visits overall. So it's going to give you a whole list of keywords that people are typed in to find your website. Again, it's going to go into the content. You can even get down to exactly where people are coming from on a map. Tell exactly how many people in a city or a county was coming to the website. So in Brentwood, 44 of the visits over this time period came from Brentwood. It goes into Hermitage, Murfreesboro. It will show you every geographic location. Like I said, all the keywords. And not only will it show the keywords, but it also shows you and how many people came from the website on those keywords. It'll tell you which ones perform better. The average time on the site, and the percent of new visits, and the bounce rate. So, let me read this closer here. So for example, the first one is granite countertops. It produced 1 minute and 37 seconds was the average time on the site. But then if I go down, Nashville granite was producing 4 minutes and 32 seconds time on site. So Nashville granite, as opposed to granite countertops, was a keyword that's performing better for me.